This is an unboxing and review of the SHOEI RF-1200 in white. The one I got is large, and I paid $485 for this one at the time of recording this. So let's see what you get in the box. Now the RF-1200 comes with the Pinlock system. Now the Pinlock is also, it's a clear shield, but its light transmission ratio will be slightly less than 80%, it says. So it doesn't meet the light transmission standards of the US. So you can only use it in the daytime. So you can only use the Pinlock system in the daytime, but it's supposed to be pretty good fog resistance. It says handle it carefully. It's less scratch resistant than your face shield and visor. Use mild soap, lukewarm water to clean. And let it dry thoroughly at least a day before reassembling. So that's a pretty good value. It comes with the Pinlock system. Now I should tell you that I already had this out and using it, but for the purpose of the video I didn't put anything together really yet except for the chin. So here's the accessory bag, and it comes with some silicone oil, which I assume is for the Pinlock system. Instructions on how to use your helmet, and it comes with a couple of stickers. Okay, and comes with this, and the Chinstrap, which I already put on actually. Oh, I'm sorry. This is probably the breath shield. Kind of deflects your breath. This comes in a bag. The bag is not extremely good quality. It's acceptable, but I believe that already it started to break. I remember, yeah, right here. You see how it's separating? It's already starting to separate right there. Yeah, so it's not the most durable bag, but I got this one in white, and there's several different colors and patterns you can get, but I got the white one. Okay, so there's what you get in there, and of course the visor. And here is the chin strap, which I already previously installed. Now normally I would typically wear a medium-sized helmet, but I have long hair, and the hair is mass and it takes up space. So you know, if you do have long hair, you may need to upgrade to a large, just to let you know. And as you can see, you have the adjustable vents. You have 3 on the front. You have 1 here on the chin, and it has 2 different locking points. So it's half open and then fully open. Actually, it's not even half, it's more like a quarter. Okay, and then on the back you have another right here. So it has pretty good control of the airflow, and the good thing is it is made in Japan, as you can see there. And it is DOT approved and Snell approved, and RF-1200 of course. There's a side view and the front view. And it says compact, lightweight, aerodynamic design, wind tunnel tested for optimal aerodynamics and reduced weight. The shield is a CWR1 shield, distortion-free view that protects from 99% of the sun's damaging UV rays. So that's cool. So if you're not wearing sunglasses, between this and the Pinlock system, which reduces the light transmission by approximately 20%, you know, I don't know. Maybe if you are not one that needs sunglasses too much, it might be okay for you, because you know the sun is partially shielded by your helmet too. Emergency quick release system. So if there's an accident, the EMTs, I think, hopefully are trained to know that these little red straps here pulls out the cheek pads, and it allows them to pull the helmet off without putting undue stress on your neck. So they just pull here, it comes off. So that's kind of cool. And it says right there, emergency use only. Pull red tab and remove cheek pad. And the visor, it's very, very stiff. but I'm sure that will loosen up over time. And it has a very good seal around here. So, and so far it's been pretty quiet when I tested it. I've been very happy with the comfort and the smoothness of the pads inside. The pads are very smooth and comfortable. The smell, if you're sensitive to smell, you know, from the manufacturing processes, you may want to let it air out for a while. There was a slight smell to it, but it wasn't overly strong, toxic type smell. Now they call this the 3D Max Dry Interior System 2, a removable, washable, replaceable, and absorbs, dissipates 2 times faster than traditional nylon. And made in Japan, 5-year warranty, and it talks about the Pinlock system. Okay, if you look on the side here, here's the release. So you just press here, right? And it just pops right out. I gotta use both hands, just like so. It's very, very easy. And to put it back, you just line up this tab with that opening and this one here. That's it. Look how quick that is. And then the same with this side. That's it. Super fast. So let's take this off so we can install the Pinlock system. Yeah, I've been waiting to do this. So I've been riding without a visor because they have a protective covering on the inside, I believe. Yes, they do. Okay, they got a protective, fortunately, because I'm rubbing my fingers all over. There's a protective covering on the inside. I didn't want to have to clean it up again. And then there's the advertisement on the outside. And then here's the Pinlock system. So I will read this. Let's open the Pinlock. And I have no idea why they call it Pinlock. If anybody knows why it's called Pinlock, please leave a comment below. I don't know what the Pinlock name came from. Because when I first heard about it, you know, I thought maybe it had something to do with these. I thought maybe it was just like a little hole to allow ventilation or something, but actually these are just guides for the correct positioning of the Pinlock inside. So that's not it. Okay, it says do not use Pinlock lens with a tinted or shield visor. I think that's because it already removes 20%. In daytime use only, never use the Pinlock lens at night. If the Pinlock lens is used with a clear shield, its light transmission ratio will be approximately 80%. This value does not meet the light transmission standards in the US. What's the silicone oil for? You don't have to put it on before? Does it not talk about the silicone oil? Maybe it's to help when it starts to get worn out or something. But I mean, I'm not seeing. Okay, let's do this. I don't know what I'm going to do about that silicone oil. I wonder if I should wash my hands first. My hands don't look that dirty. Well, shoot. I have been touching it, and there is no protective film on the inside, actually. It's, oh, crap. I've been putting my fingerprints all over it. Well, shoot. Let me get a soft cloth and wipe that off. I'll be right back. Okay, I got a soft cloth. I didn't realize that there was no protective anything on the inside. I was deceived. Sorry about the lawnmower noise. Seems like every time I do a video, there's someone mowing the lawn. Okay, that's good enough. So you're supposed to remove the protective film from that corner. And just get it right under there like so. And then peel back this side. Sorry, I have a hard time getting angled with the camera and do this at the same time. Maybe if I bend it out a little bit. Oh my God. How the heck do you do this? I'm gonna have to bend it back. Oh, God. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it so you can see, but I'm having trouble doing that. Oh, there we go. Whew. I think I got some fingerprints on it though. So with the protective shield still on, you can kind of press it into place. And get that silicone to really stick on there. Okay, so now we did that. I'm going to peel off the protective coating on this side. Okay, and then now I'm going to take off the protective coating on the pin lock. There we go. It's installed. And as you can see, it's pretty good coverage, so it shouldn't really obstruct your view too much. I don't see any junk inside, so I think I did pretty good. Yeah, okay. So let's put this back on. There we go. Let me put it on. Let's see. Hang on. Oh, that's weird. Okay, I'm back. It's very humid in the garage. I turn the AC off. Actually, I could turn it back on now. I can turn it back on now because I don't think you'll hear the AC noise in here. That's a good test of the helmet. So, garage AC. Love it. So it is very, very humid in here right now. Now I do see some glare. And you can see some reflections. But it should be fogging up. Sorry. It should be fogging up really, really, really bad right now. I just can't believe it's not fogging up. The humidity, between the humidity level in the garage and my breath. Wow. Look at my crazy eyes, sorry. Okay, that's amazing. That is really, really amazing. That pin lock works great. And there's no airflow. Let's close everything. I think there's one back here. Where are you? Okay. I don't know which way is open and closed actually. Okay, I got it closed up. Got Chinstrap on, see? Good thing it's not smell cam. Look at that, no fog. Isn't that amazing? Oh, I can't breathe. So anyway, the Pinlock system works great. Silicone oil. No idea what you do with it, but there is no fog. But there is a slight reflection. It does reduce the light transmission actually, but it's not like a lot. But it may be enough to where you won't have to wear sunglasses if you're not extremely sensitive. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, you do see some reflections, you know, in the visor, but it's a heck of a lot better than fog. Look at that. Oh my God, that's amazing. It really works. 2 thumbs up for the Pinlock system. 2 thumbs up for the RF-1200. It's good. It fits well. It's comfortable. It's relatively lightweight. Let's see, you can see the back. That's the side. I hope you can see it. Side. the back, and this is the adjustment vent here. Then the right side, and front. So this was an unboxing and kind of a review of the SHOEI RF-1200, and I give it a good rating. The anti-fog visor works very, very well. All right, this is Chasu75 signing off. Until next time.